酱，美国麦当劳的四川酱，
觉得怎样？
味道好。
你可以说真话的。
In 2017, this Rick and Morty episode made the discontinued Sichuan sauce go viral, which led McDonald's to bring it back.
They created a new sauce for the McNuggets called Szechuan sauce, and it's delicious.
At one point, the limited supply sauce went for $15K on eBay.
So we're gonna ask Sichuan people whether or not this is legit.
McDonald's? Oh, okay. It's so sweet. It's no peppercorn.
这是美国麦当劳的四川酱，现在很多美国人喜欢。
觉得怎样？
味道好。
You can tell us whether or not this is the authentic Sichuan flavor.
No. 这个味道有一点酸，酸起来那种不是很糖的那种味道，
不像我们四川的酱，太难吃了，太难吃了，太难吃了。
Alright, so now we're gonna try the Sichuan sauce too.